Now, in this class, we're going to look at some of nth term of a geometric progression. There is a formula for that. You remember that when we are doing arithmetic progression, we had a formula to calculate what? The sum. For geometric progression, there is another formula you will use to do the sum. And it says that what? A 1 minus r raised to power n all over 1 minus r. This is the formula. So as you can see, this is the term, the first term, the common ratio, the term, the common ratio. Let's see an instance. Look at this question. It says, find the sum of the first 4 terms of a GP whose first term is 5 and the common ratio is 1 over 2. Let's see. First of all, we write down the formula. Okay, so now, what is the nth term? 4 term. What is the first term? 5. 1 minus r. What's r? 1 over 2. 4 is a term. All over 1 minus 1 over 2. Just simple arithmetic to complete this. 1 over, what is 2 raised to the power 4? 2 raised to the power 4 is 16. All over, this will give us 1 over 2. Okay, with this now, we are good to go. Let's first of all work on this. That is 5, 16, 16, 1, all over 1 over 2. That is 5, 15 over 16, all over 1 over 2. You can rewrite this as what? Divide by 1 over 2, which can also rewrite as multiply by 2 over 1. So here is 1, here is 8. That is 5 multiplied by 15 over 8. This multiplied by this will give us what? 75 over 8. So this is the final answer, okay? Hope you understand this. Thank you for viewing. Look at this question. It says, in a geometric series, A is equals to 2 and R is equals to 1 over 2. Find the sum of the first 5 terms. Okay? Let's put down the formula. So, first 5 terms. The first term is 2. 1 minus r, 1 over 2, raised to power 5, all over 1 minus 1 over 2. Okay? This is equals to 2. This is 1 minus 1 over 2 raised to power 5 is 32. This is what? 1 over 2. You continue, you're going to have 2, 32, 32 minus 1, all over 1 over 2, equal to 2, 31 over 32, 1 over 2. Here 1, here 16. So that is 31 over 16 over 1 over 2, which you can also rewrite as divide by 1 over 2. You can also rewrite as 2 over 1. 2 here 1, 2 here 8. That is 31 over 8. This is the final answer, okay? Hope this understood. Thank you for viewing. Let's look at this. It says, find the sum of the first 3 terms of the GP whose third term is 27 and whose sixth term is 8. Let's see. First 3 terms we are asked to find. No problem. But we are given that the third term is 27 and whose sixth term is 8. The sixth term is 8. So you agree with me, this is AR 3 minus 1, while this is AR 6 minus 1, looking at the terms. So with this now, we can rewrite this to be 27 as equal to AR raised to power 2. Why this is 8 equals to AR raised to power 5. Remember, this is 5, please. This is 5 because 6 minus 1 is 5, okay? That was a mistake. Now, from here now, can get A as equals to 27 over R raised to power 2, which we can substitute in this place to say 8 is equals to 27 over R raised to power 2 multiplied by R raised to power 5, okay? So with this now, cancel this. This is R raised to power 3. That is to say, 8 is equals to 27 R raised to power 3. Divide both sides by 27. You agree with me? This, then this is 2 raised to power 3, 3 raised to power 3, which is equals to this. We can write this as 2 over 3. Every 3 raised to power 3 equals to R raised to power 3. Because this and this are equal, it means therefore R is equals to 2 over 3. So this is our R. So with this now, we can get the first term, 2 over 3 for R. So from here now, we can say A is equals to 27. This is 2 over 3. That is the R raised to power 2. Okay, you agree with me? This is equals to 27 over 4 over 9, which is equals to 27 multiplied by 9 over 4. This is 243 all over 4. Okay, this is our A. We now have A and we have R. As you can see, the question says, find the sum of the first 3 terms. The sum of the first 3 terms. Okay, no problem. Let's put this here. It means okay, the first term is 243 over 4. 1 minus R. R is what? 2 over 3 raised to power 3 because it says the first 3 terms. All over 1 minus 2 over 3. 243 over 4. 1 minus 8 over 27. All over 3 minus 2 equals to 243 over 4. This is 27. 27 minus 8 all over 1 over 3. So this is 243 over 4 multiplied by, this is what? 90 over 27 multiplied by 3 over 1. 3 here is 1, 3 here is what? 9. Here 1, here 27. It means therefore 27 multiplied by 19 all over 4, which is equals to 513 all over 4. So this is the summation or the sum of the first 3 terms. Hope this is understood. Thank you for viewing.